Hey guys, let's check out Sarabjit Chaudhary, a heroic author with huge courage to target social evils.
Hello viewers, this is Sharbhuti Chaudhary. I am an author and I am also pursuing my MA from University of Burdwan. I have been writing from third year of my college and it has led to a lot of poems, and I have published my recent book Speaking from the Autumn of My Life from the Blue Rose Publications, and this has been one of my uh, book which is I am very close related to. And right now I am working on my novel, and let's see where everything ends. And I'm very lucky to have so many of you as my supporter, my readers. Thank you so much for giving unconditional love and support throughout my journey, and trusting in me and believing in my poetry and showing so much of love. Thank you so much.
Here is the interview glimpse we have taken with him for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. First of all, we have asked him that kindly comment on the type of work you do as an established author who enjoys a worldwide acclaimed and good reader audience. For this, he has answered that as an author, what I emphasize on is emotional authenticity. I write poetry and it's always mandatory for me to be true to myself. I have seen that whenever I am authentic to my feelings and write a poem, that particular poem has garnered more readers. I also try to capture the nuances of societal evils and raise voice against those evils. I always try to prioritize these in my writing. Next, we have asked him that what are your recent works? Describe them in brief. For this, he has answered that my last work is that I have written a book under the title Speaking from the Autumn of My Life, and it is a collection of poems which is inclusive of diverse themes. It contains poems about oppression in marriage, love, betrayal, child abuse, lust, prostitution, losing self confidence, and a lot of various issues. It tries to reach the core of an individual and make him think about all these social evils and emotions. Next, we have asked him that what are your plans for the near future and for the next 5 years? Or where do you see yourself as an author in the next 5 years? For this, he has answered that I used to be a person who loved to plan every bit of life, but with pandemic situation, I am enjoying the uncertainty of life right now. I was about to come up with my first novel this year, but it got delayed. Hence, I am not planning a lot, but at least I want to have 3 books published. I also want to be a good author at the end of 5 years if luck favors. Lastly, we have asked him that is there something you would like to add and share with your audience at large, such as your work ethic, principle, or motive? For this, he has answered that I have always believed that there is no substitute for hard work. It is always necessary to have confidence in yourself. Always love the work you are doing and prioritize it. Since I belong to a creative field, the above mentioned principles are the ones that I always hold on to. So, guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview coverage, and in the end, we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.